Hey there, it's Brian Murphy again with A Action Realty Inspection Services. We don't only just do home inspections, we also do a variety of specialty type inspections as well. Today what we're going to do is we're going to bring to you a water intrusion investigation. So we had a client that called us. They're not selling their house or anything, but they found some problems. They believe they have some problems with water intrusion coming in around the stucco and causing some damage to the interior of the house. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out by just doing an investigation of this corner over here. I believe it's probably missing kick-out flashing. She had some new gutters installed, so there might be some gutter issues. There might be a roofing issue. She had a new roof installed recently. So what we're going to do is just kind of diagnose it and see what we can find today.
The first thing we notice is there's no kick-out flashing here where the roof meets the wall. So we're running water down first to see if water might go towards the wall, but also to check on the slope of the gutter. If it's a negative slope, water is going to back up the gutter, and then there could be, we call it capillary movement of the water. Any kind of little hole, water finds its own level and it's going to work its way into the wall. So this kind of simulates what a heavy rainstorm would do. And water is now backed up here into the gutter. And from that angle you can't see, but there is water running along the gutter, or excuse me, the shingle back towards the wall. And inadvertently there's going to be little holes back there for water to make its way into.
So what Paul and I are looking at right here is you can see where water's backing up into the gutter, and you can kind of see down the flashing lines. Paul, point to where the kick-out flashing should be.
Right from here.
So it should be right there, and the reason why we want kick-out flashing, so it pushes water away from the wall, out of the wall cavity and into the guttering system. Okay, we're inside the house now. It did rain about 2 days ago, so what we have is some suspected water in the wall cavity already. Of course, we did run some more water, and so what we're going to do now is we're going to be looking at this particular area. From the naked eye, you really can't see anything in this particular area, but whenever we come in with thermal imaging, we're able to show you what it looks like with thermal imaging. So what we're looking at now is, see these little brush lines going up the wall, and then see the feathering going across the bottom? That is all water. We're going to back it up with a moisture meter and we already have backed it up with a moisture meter to verify that it is water. So what we have is we have missing kick-out flashing on the outside of the house. And then what it does is it allows water to run down the wall. And right here you can kind of see this little blue spot here, and then the line that's running down the wall right here, and then also the moisture on the floor. And again, this is something that we can help our client with, and it's actually an easy repair. What we're going to do is recommend installing kick-out flashing and re-sloping the gutter, because the gutter had a negative slope as well. So remember, not just home inspections, we do a little bit of everything. So for any of your specialty needs, call on A Action Realty Inspection Services.